have here in a short YouTube video, my camera will stay, some fidgets that are great for OCD and skin picking and hair pulling and things like that. So this one clicks, called KLIXX fidget, and then we have this one, push pop fidget. Hang on, make a little sound if you do it a certain way. So it's satisfying to just click and push in. And of course there's this one, fidget cube. You can roll that piece there, roll these pieces. Click the buttons. Not all of them will work when you order them. Several two color shades or one to choose from. And like little joystick. And with a smooth part here, you can just rub. But it'll keep your hands busy. So will this. And then so will this. They come in two sizes. Keychain backpack clip, which I do have on my bag right here. Another one. I have all kinds of stuff here. Yeah, that one, and then there's a bigger size here. So yeah, then there's this one. To make a little tapping sound, like when you pop them. Perfect, and you can flip them over and do them again 1,010 times. Yeah, so they're really handy fidget spinners as well. They're my favorite, but yeah, a lot of these clicks, yeah, stuff like that. Hope this helps somebody out. Thank you for watching my vlog. Bye.